Hey everybody, it is Richard Bush, your owner slash slave at Monkey Business Auto Repair. And normally this would be called Mechanical Malarkey, which is the ongoing crap that goes on with fixing a vehicle. But no, this one is going to be something a little bit different. This is going to be called After the Shit Show. So, after the shit show, vehicle 2000, well, crap, camera angle sucks. 2006 Nissan Quest. You see my Facebook posts? Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. The rear wheels were having a lot of problems. The ABS was going crazy, and traction control was going crazy, things like that. And the brake calipers themselves were, there's no nice way to put it, they were terrible. So I went ahead and got the sensors replaced, got the calipers replaced, and now I'm going to show you what caused the screw up. All right, so here we have on the workbench the rear left and rear right, or driver and passenger side, brake calipers and brackets. These were causing a lot of problems, and you're going to be surprised to learn that it wasn't actually the calipers themselves. These things work they work perfectly fine. The issue came with the brackets. Let me get these things out of the way. Still got fluid in them. I'm very neat about what I do. Okay, so what it was, the calipers were getting stuck while they were operating, causing the wheels to lock up, the brakes to drag, things like that, uneven brake wear. So all that's been resolved, and it's all because of these little babies right here and the bores that they go into. Watch this. Now watch it prove me wrong and go right in. I'm putting a lot of force on that. Okay. Here's the other one. Can't get it in the hole. Not right-handed. I'm not left-handed. I'm right-handed. Jesus. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, so I think you get the idea on that one. So what these pins are supposed to do, these bolts, are supposed to slide. I'm getting crap all over my fingers now. They're supposed to slide back and forth like that, only a whole lot smoother. And this one, of course, also had its share of problems. Take a look at these boots. Well, that one's not in really bad shape. Pretty sure it was this one. Well, one of them had a tear. I'm not sure which one it was. It might have actually been that one. So, screw up on my part. And once again, okay, that one went in all right. This one, I wonder if that rubber stopper has anything to do with it. We're going to try again. Okay. Oh, man. Anyway, yeah. Those things are screwed up. The calipers, on the other hand, would I use them again? Oh, yeah, I probably would. The pistons were in good shape, and that's these things right here. That's what compresses your brakes. I would probably go ahead and clean them up and use them again. So for right now, the problem is resolved. I took the thing out for a test drive after bleeding the system and got it going again. So I did have one little thing that came up, and maybe it was just because it's wet outside because it's raining like crazy. The ABS system, it didn't actually flash any lights or anything, but it started making a growling noise from the brakes. Well, after I drove around a little bit more, it started going away, and then I did the old tried and true, stomped the crap out of the brake pedal test, and it came to a stop and didn't lock up. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've checked the brake fluid level since then. It's working fine. So I'm going to say this issue's been resolved. Speedometer is also reading correctly again, so the speedo cables are doing their job. And that pretty much wraps it up. There's only one thing left that I need to do, and that's going to be coming next week, and that's going to be the serpentine belt and the the power steering belt. I've already got the power steering belt, but the other one's taking a while to get here. Anyway, this is not Mechanical Malarkey, but the other one after the bull crap. Anyway, that's all I got. If you need any help with your vehicles, hit me up. I'll do what I can. Have a good one, and may the 4th be with you.